Hi friends, welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is RxJS full tutorial series for absolute beginners. In the last episode, we learnt about mathematical operator called max, which would return the maximum value from the source observables dataset. Today, we are going to learn about minimum operator, min. What does it do? You know it. It will return the minimum value from that particular list of observable values. So I know that if you are following this particular series, I hope that this is something that you should be able to do it by yourself. But just for the sake, I'll just show you quick hands-on, but I want you to take the lead. I want you to start writing the code well before me. Welcome back. This is part 22, operator number 17. This is RxJS full tutorial playlist. This is the playlist I have covered so far, and we have already reached episode number 22. I will do more than 40 tutorials or 50 tutorials in this particular. I'll cover all the operators for you which are used in real time in day-to-day work in enterprise applications. Today it's operator number 17, minimum. What does the minimum operator do? It will take an observable with all the values and return the minimum value, right? Like I said in the previous episode, you would find yourself using this especially if you're working with numeric data set, right? Numbers or anything of those sorts, filtering, getting numbers, salary, price, etc. So what does it take to do? Let's see that in hands-on. In the last episode, we used distinct, right? So we have a array that we created from which we are converting it to an observable using from operator. This is the data set we have, and now we have to find the minimum out of it, right? That's a simple thing. Last time we did was we took the distinct, we did some filtering, and then did max. So we will not do that. I mean, you don't have to use it every time. The fastest is to just see the minimum, right? I'm saying give me the minimum value from this particular data set. Pretty simple, straightforward operator, nothing much major complicated. So it says minimum value is 1, but you can again club it with certain operators like we did in the previous episode. Let's say I want to filter, right? And this time I want to do filter values. That's the method we did last time. So filter values, I'm going to change the condition. I'm saying if the value is more than 30, right? If the value is more than 30, return false, else it's true, right? So it will find all the values less than 30 and give the minimum from it, right? So that's one for us. Now let's change the data set just so we know that we have the correct data. So remove one. So what is the next one, which is 2? So it's showing 2, right? Again, it's always good to add multiple operators so that your data set is solid and good. So you can also throw in a distinct, right? So see distinct, filter, and then give me the minimum. This order is important. Always remember that. The order of these operators is extremely important because it will go sequentially, right? These are functions which will first do distinct, then run filter, and then give the minimum value. Right, let's see the output. So it says minimum value is 2, right? So there we are. So this is straightforward again. All these mathematical arithmetic operators are pretty usually straightforward, max, min. In the next one I'm going to show you a very important one, which is reduce. If you are coming from JavaScript already or programming background, you would know there is a method called reduce in array, right? What it does, it takes the value, also takes the accumulated value, right? And then process it. So we'll learn about it, but just for your familiarization, if you get chance, please do go over array reduce. That would really help you understand this operator. That's all for today's episode. I hope this was the quickest. I think max and min, they are pretty straightforward. In the next episode we'll cover reduce. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like my work, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. Thank you. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying creating it for you. See you in the next episode.